Iterative Learning Control, abbreviated ILC, functionality is most useful for systems that actively need to be corrected because there are disturbances or noise that periodically gets into the system. ILC is similar to arbitrary waveform generator functionality, but ILC has an advanced software algorithm. In the first several seconds using ILC, the NV200D will learn the actuator by simply repeating the input arbitrary waveform. After this learning, the algorithm will repeatedly perfect the measured output, thus decreasing the deviation to a negligible amount. This is the advantage of the ILC. By repeatedly perfecting itself, noise or turbulence will be dampened automatically. Here is an example. First, using the import button, select the curve that needs to be run. Then press the Apply Waveform button and just wait until the software extracts the parameters from the given curve below. After the ILC On button is enabled, click on it and pause to see the results. Only the measured output and the error is displayed in this graph. Keep in mind that the error has been artificially amplified by a factor of 10 so that it is visible without zooming in. That means the actual error is 10 times smaller than what is displayed on the screen. There is no cycle limit to this functionality, so it will run until the ILC Off button is pressed. If you are experiencing any difficulties with PiSoWorks software or you have questions, please reach out to us from this contact page by email.